This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Nancy Torres. New subdivision. This is one of the last homes available in this subdivision. Great open floor plan with ceramic tile and granite countertops. You will love entertaining your friends and family when possible. Nice fenced-in backyard for you and your pet to enjoy. Great separation between master bedroom and guest bedrooms. Please have your favorite agent make an appointment to view. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Torres at 940-704-0674.